There is no law out there that says we need to respond to something immediately, unless there's imminent danger. We have the right to stop and think and process. Am I getting pulled into a power struggle? Is this a child who wants to negotiate with me? Is this something that I should be determining if it's a yes or no with no negotiation? What's happening right in front of me? Is this something I should deal with now? Should I wait? Should I speak? Should I just be quiet? Sometimes the best response with an escalated kid is no response at all. Just don't talk. How hard is that? It's really hard, really hard. But if I stop and I think that and I run those scenarios through my head, that's processing. Now I can kind of congratulate myself and be able to say, okay, now I know what to do, and I won't have to try to pull it back later. Because one of the things that kids know is that many people don't say what they mean and mean what they say. And I think it's really important, especially with our kids who need those limits, to be able to say what we mean and mean what we say.